Yo, what's good, everybody? I kind of wanted to come on. I know it's Saturday, but I wanted to come on and kind of give you guys a, I guess, update on what's been going on. Um, I mean, realistically, what's been going on is nothing has been going on, but I haven't been taking any trades, to be honest. The market has been so bad, there hasn't really been much to take. Um, and I wanted to show my Top Step or my Alpha Futures account just to show this. I only have made quote unquote $50. So you can see since the last loss we took, there was no trades the 21st and the 22nd. And then yesterday there was a lot of trades, but I took two trades and both of them were break even. The reason it shows four is because I took partials at one point. Um, so that's really it. There was really, I mean, literally nothing to take. There were two decent setups, and I'll show you those right quick. Okay, again, there were two decent setups. This first one right here, we inverted this gap, crazy V shape out of this. I think this was a 1 hour. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. So we came out of this. Yeah. So we tapped into this 1 hour right here, and as you can see on the 1 minute, we tapped into it, got a clean inversion off of it, and we even had an S&T. I want to say at the highs, and we had equal lows, more equal lows, and Lennon lows. Okay. So the reason I took this was we tapped into a fair value gap or a PD array, whatever you want to call it. We got a clean V-shaped inversion. We had an SMT, and we had a good defined DOL. Literally no point not to take this. I had no reason to not take this, so I took it. And it was really frustrating because at first it was kind of going well. We hit break even, and then we immediately got stopped out. I may have set my break even actually a little bit sooner than this. I think after this candle and we came back in a profit, I had already set it. Mainly because yesterday we had news at 9 or 8:45, so this would have been it right here, this data wick right there. And the reason I did that was because I didn't want to be in the trade not break even when news hit. So I went break even as soon as I possibly could, and it just didn't play out. I really did want to hit Lennon lows, which would have been right here. So this was my actual target, but it just wasn't feeling it. And then for the rest of the day, there wasn't much that I really wanted to take. I mean, realistically, this was a great setup, or this one right here. But the thing is like my official DOL was data highs, and this is just, that's chopped. Like that's crazy RR. You know what I'm saying? Like obviously it's gonna hit, but you can't really take that risk. So unfortunately, we ended up running for the rest of the day. So that really sucks. But like I said, there's just no entry. I literally just could not get in on it. And we had conflicting draws. So there was just nothing to take. Up here was another one. We tapped into a 15-minute. I want to say that's what happened. Yeah, that's what it looks like. We tapped into a 15-minute, this right here. And I kind of just wanted to see us go higher, because literally it just did not look like we wanted to go any lower. So we inverted right here, and then I entered off of a retrace into this gap right here. And then this was my fill. I placed the order right here, but I got filled right here. So I set my break-even point at this previous high because I figured that we would get like a turtle soup if we were going to go down, which is exactly what happened, which is really unfortunate. But it is what it is. So turtle soup, and then we inverted downwards, break even. And that's where actually the $50 came from on yesterday's trade, is because I had taken partials at this break even point. I don't know why I did that. There really wasn't much of a point to, especially since I hadn't already won a trade. That $50 now just screwed me over because now I'm higher up on this number and I have less drawdown. It really did no good. It did more harm than good. So that was what happened yesterday. Like I said, there really wasn't much else, and I did not take a trade there. I don't know why that's there, but yeah, there really wasn't much. And this week has just been so bad. Like price action has just been so, buns. It's been incredibly difficult to tell what the market wants to do. So I just didn't really bother with, I didn't really bother with taking any trades because I didn't want to screw myself over. I just figured, preservation of capital is better than forcing a trade. I mean, when people like PJ trades, I don't know if you guys know him or not. He's been trading for like 10 years. When he's saying this is the worst month he's ever experienced, it's pretty bad. So this week overall is just really not productive, and I haven't really just felt the need to post anything because there hasn't been anything to trade. So thankfully, we're still positive on the account. Negative on the week though because of this trade, which really sucks, but it was a good trade. Not mad about it. So we'll see what next week brings. I want to say, let's see. Okay, I was gonna say I want to say most of next week is tradable, but Wednesday will not be tradable. Wednesday and maybe even Tuesday will be pretty bad just because of FOMC. Thursday and Friday will be perfect. Monday, we'll just have to see just because of FOMC and everything. So next week we'll see. It may be another case where I don't take any trades next week, but maybe one or two, which really sucks because I'm really trying to get a payout, but you just can't force it. There's no, I mean, if the market doesn't give you opportunity, it doesn't give you an opportunity, which sucks, but that's just the fact. That's just how trading is, and you can't force it. Otherwise, you'll just screw yourself forever. So anyways, yeah, that's really all. I just kind of wanted to hop on and let you guys know what was going on since I haven't posted in a while, and maybe why I haven't been taking any trades, but there just, like I said, there just hasn't really been much. So anyways, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'm going to try and start posting some on there here and there. I'm not going to be posting like every day, like 3 times a day or whatever, but I'm definitely going to be trying posting some more content on there rather than just on YouTube, just to try and grow both platforms. So anyways, yeah, and then I'm also going to have a link to an alpha code in the description if you guys feel the need to use it. It'll give you 10% off or whatever Alpha's, best discount is at the time. So yeah, if you guys would like to use that, that would be awesome for me. I'd really appreciate that. But anyways, peace guys.